Hi beautiful human being, here's Didi from Yoga Salsa Forever. How is the energy today? In this video I had a